Hey everybody, and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today, we're gonna be talking glue guns. Now, we've all experienced the challenge of traditional glue gun design. You know, that flimsy little thing that doesn't stand up straight, it falls down, we have extension cords everywhere. Well, RYOBI has changed the game with their entire lineup. These three units are all self-standing. They all work on the 18-volt ONE+ platform, and as you can see, there's no cords or extension cords. It really just makes sense. Let's start with the compact glue gun. This is the smallest unit in the lineup. What makes it so innovative is that all the charging and heating come from the base, which leaves the unit itself ultra lightweight and convenient. This is great for small decor, decorating projects, even electrical and wiring. Now, there's some great features here. There's an LED light that indicates when it's on and when it's charging, and it has a convenient tray here to keep your workspace clean. Again, really great. Next up in the lineup, we have the glue gun. This is the full-size model that uses the full half-inch glue stick, unlike the compact that uses the mini stick, which is 5/16. This guy is great for larger scale projects. This is good for temporarily holding things like molding in place while you nail it in place. This is literally the second set of hands you need on a project all day long, and it comes in a really convenient compact form as well. Again, we've got the indicator lights for on and heating as well. All right, last up, we've got the unit with all the features. This is the dual temperature glue gun. It has an easy selectable switch between high and low. The low temperature makes it really convenient to work on more delicate materials, things like foams, fabrics, and burlaps. But when you kick it into high temperature, it's strong enough to melt those higher strength adhesives. Again, this has the built-in drip tray. This thing is definitely, no doubt, the most versatile in the entire lineup. Thanks so much for watching this week's episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Tuesday Tips, DIY projects, new product announcements, and more. And in the comment section below, tell us what you'd like to see next. We'll see you next time.